Welcome back, everyone. So today we're going to be taking out the entire interior of my car. So let's go do that. So now let's get all this stuff out. Okay. First, just get this airbag off, which is blown suspiciously. There, got it. Oh, there we are. There we are. She's all out. She's out of there. First piece gone. Let me get something to hold all these bolts. How about this? Yeah. Oosh. I have no idea what this wire is. I have no idea where this wire goes. But that doesn't matter because everything in here is coming out. All right, let's try this. Come on. I think it's... you're going through the firewall. You are being so annoying. Oh, why are you not coming out? I have just the thing. Aren't lights just a wonderful help? Come on. All right, I'll take those out. Let's get these screws back here. I sure hope this isn't filled with anything. Because if something just sprays on me, I'm not going to be happy and I probably won't feel good. Don't want to breathe in all this rust, but I'm forced to. All right. They're out. Let's see if this wants to come out. Come on. Come on. I know you want to come. I know you want to come out. You were telling me you're... guys, I have news. There was indeed liquid in the HVAC system. Let me go clean that up. Oh, that's water. It's water. We're good. We're good. No worries, gentlemen. No worries, ladies and gentlemen. Had to remind myself what the HVAC system runs off in these because I don't want to be breathing in refrigerant. How are you supposed to get this out, man? Is this disconnect? I think I might actually have to take out the steering structure bar. The dash bar. That works. I mean, yeah, that's a method to do it. That sure is a method. I'm gonna actually put some towels down and collect this water. That should take care of the water. 13, maybe? 13. Let's see. This is a 12. It is indeed a 12. All right, that's that side off. Ooh. What is that? What is that? It's getting stuck on the throttle. I do not know why this thing won't come out. What are all these? God, this thing is a mess. All good things take time. Crazy how one of the toughest pieces is an HVAC component. That's crazy. Well, let's try taking out this pedal. See if that does the trick. Nope, now it's just getting stuck on other stuff, man. Let us get extension for these two steering shaft bolts. A one. So this isn't just drop on me. A two. Well, I should be okay just hanging there for the time being. Just gotta get these relay bolts off. Cannot believe I was struggling with this for so long. And I could have just taken out the bar. Genius. Boom! That has been stuck in there for so long. Okay, what are you? Okay, that's fine. You can leak on the floor if you need to. That mosquito is making a lot of noise. I'll just close you in there for now. Actually, that's a considerable amount of light in, so you can chill, mosquito. Don't need this where we're going. God, this whole dash harness is going to be a pain to take out. But it is all right. Got that connector out. Now, let's get this thingy off. I don't know what it is, but it's a thingy that is preventing me from getting the thingy out of the thingy. Oh. Rusty water. Very rusty. That stinks. Come on, just get out, please. Okay, clip pops off. And you are going in. Oh, you're not going in the trash yet. Well, rip this connector. Yes! Now, you go in the trash. You go to the garbage. Okay. Well, just that one piece makes the interior look a whole lot simpler and cleaner. I can probably put this dash back in now. Oh, yeah, that's the ECM. Okay, well, now that that big thing is out and everything looks a whole lot tidier, let's get all this wiring and stuff out. Okay. Ow. Owie. Oh, you stay over there. You stay over there. Yeah, it's disgusting. Okay, still water. There's a bunch of still water down there. I'm really scared of it. Okay, module. You get out of there. Yeah, this is definitely the ECM. Most definitely. That's there. That's a whole wiring harness. Let's take this out. So this harness can go. Again, I don't know where this green wire goes, but that is a crazy connector. Yeah, that is huge. How do I even get that out? I do not even know what the previous owner did to this car, man. But it shall all be expunged like a sickness. How do you get this out, man? Okay, we're gonna figure that out in a minute. Okay, water lines for the rear wipers, which I don't have, so maybe not rear wipers. Maybe. We'll get the headliner out. Well, might as well pop up this transmission boot while we're at it. This little shifter boot. As I'm sure this thing was swapped out in the past. Those are very worn bolts. Zip tied. Wondrous work. That's first, kinda. That's second, almost. That's third, maybe. Fourth, sort of. And then fifth, if it's feeling like it. Oh, that's fried. Okay. Well, shifter boot over there. Ooh, that was a lot of rust. Okay. Need you, handbrake, for now. Speakers. Well, there's speakers up here. We'll get out. Oh, that's it. That's all you needed. There you go. And then we'll put God, the connectors on this are so simple. It's wonderful how old cars are so simple. And it's almost like we just shouldn't complicate things that aren't broken. If it is not broken, do not fix it, said Socrates or something. Disgusting. It's so moldy. Let's throw this away. Disgusting. Who need S14 trim pieces? For the low. Just noticed the footage for this part kinda looks like a found footage horror movie. There she goes. You gotta come out too, man. You can't stay in there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, man. There you go. You are going in the garbage, too. You are stinky and moldy. What are you doing there? Ooh. As I said, S14 trim pieces for the low. All right, let's get this headliner out. Once again, more S14 interior pieces for the low. All right. Let's get you down, yeah? Come on. Come on. Oh, okay. Ooh. There's a nail? Ugh. Very pleased that did not hit my eye. Getting there. There we go. I knew it was something. Sorry, this is kind of not being helpful for the view. There we go. Oh, what are you stuck on? Oh, the connector. Of course, but of course. Sorry for the bad view, guys. There we go. Boom. All right. Let's get this guy out of here. Okay. Well, that's the entire sunroof system. Oh, that's the leak spout for the sunroof. Okay. Let's see. Let's get this frame out. Well, I got the ones that needed to come out. That bolt's stripped, which is wonderful. But it's okay. We didn't need that bolt out anyway. Sunroof motor. Ooh, goodbye. Okay. There's that pesky ground out. Wonderful. Sunroof motor. Likely broken. Not for sale. If it wasn't broken, it's broken now. That's okay. I think Nissan still makes parts for these things. This, I think all of these are going to need to come. Ow! That did not feel good. Owie. Yeah, that didn't feel good. Ow. It's okay, we press on. Ow, dude. That hurt. It's okay. All in the name of Pro Drift Car. You see, I don't exactly know how heavy this thing's gonna be, but I assume the answer is pretty heavy. That one's broken. Let me get these lines off. That was a pressure release. There we go. That's two. There we go. Nice and easy. Ugh! Ah! Ugh! Yeah. Gross. What was in there? That was just a bunch of dirt. I didn't drop it in dirt. Grow up. Well, let's see how she goes. Okay. Oh, you single bolt. Oh. Okay. Bit of a sticky situation. It's okay. Do not fret. Oh! Sunroof is out. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Okay. Now, part of getting it out of the car. I'm going to have better luck on that side. This is not actually that heavy. Let's go, dude. Huge. Thank you guys so much for watching. That's going to be the end of today's video. We got tons done this time. We got the entire interior out of the car. And next video, we're going to be taking out the fuel tank as well as all the glass around the car. And then we get to the motor. That's going to be crazy. And then we go down to LA. So, yeah, it's going to be a crazy next few weeks, but having the time of my life. I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I'll see you next time.